Willkommen à Poland. Yeah, I know I did German and French there. The reason why is because I don't know any Polish at all. And clearly I don't know Poland because I came here in March and I didn't expect it to snow, and here we are. It's pretty though. Guten Morgen, Szczecin. Or no, sorry, Szczecin, right? Want a big flake for my hand. Come on. Good enough, let's eat it. It was good.
Yeah?
What's snow in German?
Schnee.
Oh yeah, Schnee.
Yes, Schnee.
Like Schneeman. Woo! We are in Szczecin, Poland. Szczecin! Szczecin!
Cheese. So where are we going now?
We are going to breakfast and lunch combined, which is...
Brunch.
That's right. Brunch time. Yeah, it did snow a lot. It's a lot of snow. Hey Christina,
Hello.
what's going on out there? What do you see?
Me.
What?
What?
They cut it in half. They were that long.
It was that long, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Anyway, let's take a look at what we have here. We got some kawy, so K-A-W-Y, and Zloty.
Herbata czarna. Herbata czarna, I think it was.
Not only is she German, she's good at doing the Russian stuff too. This is what she gets for going to Mother Russia not once, but twice. Anyway, so yeah, the herbal tea,
Yeah.
and then an eclair of some sort,
Yeah.
and the yetske,
Jesik.
yesik, and a pizza baguette for breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah!